Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Well, I am not doing that great. You might know from my voice, it'll sound a little off. Reason being, I'm still recovering from COVID. I'm feeling much better today and was in a good mood to make a video, so I thought, let's just do it. So originally my plan was to make back care video, but that will require a little lot of effort, and currently I do not have that much energy. So I decided why not talk about my top 3 bags of 2021. Now last year I did buy around 8 to 10 bags and 3 of them obviously were a clear cut winner. So without any further ado, let me talk to you all about which were the 3 bags which were absolute winner for me. Now starting with the number 3 position, my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in Damier Ebene canvas. And I got this bag in the month of October, and in spite of being buying it in October, this is a bag I've taken on the most compared to all my other Louis Vuitton. I have 3 Louis Vuitton, so this really was a winner among all the 3. And I really like the way this bag is very easy to go along with. You can dress it up, dress it down. It fits in quite a decent stuff, like you can see inside. I have already done a review on this, and I'll share a link on it in the description box if you are interested to, if you're considering to buy this bag. I feel it's one of the must have bags of Louis Vuitton, and if you're considering to buy the, you must check this review of this bag. So yes, because it was just bought in October, it is on the third position. Probably it would have been on the first position or maybe second. I mean, first position is a clear winner. You will know which bag was that. So yes, that was my number 3 bag. Let's move on to number 2 bag. My number 2 bag is going to be little unexpected, and because it is the H&M tote bag, book tote bag, which is obviously like a copy of a Dior bag. So let me clearly show this bag. I had to little zoom out to show this bag. Now this bag obviously is a number 2 bag. I really thought about a lot of all the other bags that I have, and I realized I use this bag the most. And definitely this does not come under the very ideal handbag contender, but yes, I use this bag a lot. It was such a perfect second travel bag, along with a handbag. I took it with me for my Himachal trip. I took it with me for my Rishikesh trip. I took it for my recent even Pune weekend trip. So this bag has always been there in all the trips that I carry. Just like the supplement bag that you have with your handbag, like you can stuff in your books or you can stuff in your charger or a snack or anything like that, which I would hesitate to keep it in my main bag. So this has been such a perfect second supplementary bag to that. And for the price that I got, it was an absolute steal. Plus the design on it is so beautiful. I mean, this cheetah, this birds and all. It is such a beautiful, like beautiful painting, and it's such a beautiful bag. Also, I don't think it is available anymore. But if you are looking for something like that, like a canvas tote bag, you can check it out on H&M. They have more other prints are available too. So that's my second bag. For my first bag, the finale bag, which was absolutely a clear winner for 2021, is obviously the Coach Tabby 20 in this color taffy. Now this bag, guys, my most friends, all my friends tell that this is the perfect photogenic bag. It's such a gorgeous, pretty looking bag, and undoubtedly, I do not deny it. Whenever I have clicked pics of this bag, it has always come out perfect. Like if you check out my Instagram, why don't you guys follow me on Instagram already? My handle is gold underscore star love because I love everything which is gold and starry. So you will find that all the images on this bag has always come very photogenic. This is an absolute photogenic bag, and apart from it just being photogenic, it can really carry quite a decent stuff. And also this bag made me realize how much I enjoy a top handle bag. For the longest time I thought I'm not a top handle person, but this bag proved me wrong. Also guys, this bag is a top handle bag, so you can clearly see I am moving on to a very top handle style is what I'm preferring nowadays. So that is it, guys. These are my top 3 bags. Which one did you like the most? Do let me know, and also follow me on my Instagram where I am very much active. I also keep sharing a lot of post stories regarding different bags, different trivia. We have a lot of polls. If you enjoy those stuffs about related to bag, do follow me. My handle is gold underscore star love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.